Well, hello, my lovely love bug goodies. Welcome back to your girl channel, How to Cook. I'm so happy that you're come join me right now because what I have the recipe right here that you have been requesting. Yes, boo, it's here. How to make lemon pepper chicken wings in the kitchen? Wow, fast, easy, and simple. As always, I'm gonna show you how me turn up my things simple. Me not do the long lay thing in my kitchen because me in my house, I have a hungry husband to feed and a hungry daughter to feed and a hungry myself to feed. So let's go with this one fast, easy, and simple. Now, when you open up these chicken wings, honey, you will find nothing but some goodness all up inside of that thing. Just like boom, like that, right? So that juicy and yummy, delicious. Yes, boo, I saw me a talk about. Now, if you are new and you are here watching me how to cook for the first time I cook this thing out, make sure say you subscribe to the channel, boo boo. Turn on your post notification settings so you will always be reminded whenever your girl upload recipes like this one, right? Now I am ready to turn up this thing. I am so ready, boo. I am so ready. Are you ready for the recipe as much as I'm ready to cook it up? Well, let's get the ball a rolling. Get your tea, sit down, get the thing started. Me ready for move, me ready for roll, me ready for ramba. So let's get this lemon pepper chicken wings on your table in minutes, like right now.
You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. Rastafari, why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days and when him feed you. You know when no obligation but to owe him some respect. All you need to do is just give him wine to get turn your back on your brother when
Okay, my fabulous love buggets, let's get right into the recipe. I have about 20 pieces of chicken wings there, nicely chopped, right? Yes, boo. What I'm doing here is just putting some cold water on it. I'm going to wash them chicken wings real good. So I'm adding a little bit of salt and vinegar to the water. What I'm doing here is washing my chicken like me I wash clothes. Come on, want my chicken wings fit clean, nice and thoroughly. I'm taking off the feathers, any kind of feather, any suspect on my chicken wings. It will be gone. Trust me. I'm gonna wash them thing up real good, thoroughly, rub it up with them clean hands, goody. Yes, we don't eat dirty chicken. Now you see that water right there, how white it is? We don't want it to be white like that. We want the water to be nice and clear. Now, what I'm doing here now is getting my lemon, and I'm going to get all the pulps and everything out of that lemon. We're going to wash them chicken wings thoroughly, real good into that lemon juice liquid. You can even have it sit for a few minutes, but because I'm so hungry, I'm hungry. We hungry over here. I'm gonna go ahead and move it all along fast, easy, and simple today. I'm hungry. I can't bother wait for all of that. No, But yeah, we gonna wash them things up real good with that lemon. Give it a nice little rinse again. Make sure the water comes out nice and clear and clean, y'all, like that. Make sure you clean out the sink when you finish. And when you're done, your wings should look like that, nice, white, and pretty, right? Pretty. Now, how I'm going to season my chicken is I like to go ahead and add a little bit of salt and black pepper to the mix, right? After I usually get done adding that to it, I like to add my onion powder and then my garlic powder. And then, of course, I have to add some all-purpose seasoning, Jamaican all-purpose seasoning. I'm really using Grace all-purpose seasoning. Then I add my chicken seasoning because I am cooking chicken. So I had my chicken seasoning. Now, I am making, of course, lemon pepper chicken wings, so I am going for my lemon pepper seasoning. That is the one that I have. Use whatever you have, right? Sprinkle all that stuff on it. Now, all the amount for the recipe will be listed down in your description box. Check that out. Go subscribe to your girl channel, Life as Juliana. Make sure you subscribe here as well. Now, I am seasoning that chicken with my clean fingers. right? Make sure them fingers and hands, everything is clean, nice and clean. I'm gonna let that sit for a few while I go ahead and do this right here. Now I have my Ziploc bag right there, sir. Nice and clean, clean, clean. I am going to go in with 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Do not use self-rising flour. You could use rice flour, oats flour, any kind of flour you want to use, your choice, but I am using all-purpose flour. Now to that all-purpose flour, I'm going to go in and season up that flour with all of the seasoning that I used prior on the chicken, right? Because goody, you want your flour mix to have flavor. So go ahead and add your onion powder and your garlic powder and your black pepper and your salt, all of the things I'm going to use. But go ahead and put them in. As you can see, I'm doing right here. Yum, 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 yum. Little bit of salt. The salt is optional, but yeah, give it flavor because you want your wings to have flavor. Throw in some more of that lemon pepper seasoning. Shut up the bag and then shake up the bag. Shake it up, give it a good shake, 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 like so. And then after I do all of them things, the whole shaking up and them something there, I'm gonna show my chicken wings in the bag there. Just show them in, throw them in, throw them in. No me attack. Proper English when one for talk, right? Proper English. Throw them chicken wings in the bag and shake it up real well. Shake them up, go to shake them up like that, right? Simple, something, right? Simple, something. Let's make it fast, easy, and simple. Now I'm gonna shake off some of that excess flour, put it on my clean surface, right? One at a time. After I'm done, pack up all of them because you don't want the chicken to get sweaty and stuff like that. So you're gonna shake it off real good and just pile them up on a plate. But you wanna make sure so your oil on the other side is already hot. Your oil needs to be on 350 degrees. Now, goody, you need to have a best friend. Now your best friend is going to be your wooden spoon, because that is how you know when your oil is always ready for fry anything, fish, chicken, whatever you want to fry in your kitchen. Your wooden spoon is your best friend. Now that my oil is nice and hot and I'm using my deep fry, okay, I'm going to go ahead and place my chicken wings into the deep fryer. However, I'm not overcrowding my thing. I'm going to put 8 at a time because my deep fry is not very big. So I'm using, I'm going to put 8 in there. So we go ahead and put that 8 wings in there. And yeah, we're going to go ahead and place them in the oil, nice and hot at 350 degrees. They should take about 7 minutes to fry, right? Halfway through the fry, you're going to see them starting to float on top. That's when you know so you do the right thing. You're not up on the wrong track. Right track, it up and go there. So 7 minutes total, they're going to look like this. Just like so. Nice crispy on the outside, golden brown. Pretty. Perfection we are talking about. See there? Right? There's a close-up. You see all that nice? That is some good fried chicken wings. You see all that season all sucked up in there? Look at that. Oh yes, baby. Look at that. You could see that season all up in the chicken wing. Oh, it's ready for bite, but no, I'm not ready to eat that yet. We're going to go ahead and sit that aside. That container, I'm using a dollar store container. That is all that costs, and it's perfect when you're frying chicken. Just go ahead and sit it on there and let the chicken hang out until you are ready to move on to your next step. But I am going to fry my second batch. Right here, so we go ahead and just repeat the same thing. Just put the chicken inside of that thing and make sure that they are not cluttered. Make sure say clean out the whatever you had backed up in the first fry. Take it out because you don't want chicken to burn and have a burn flavor, right? So you go ahead and dunk that back in the oil. Give it an extra 7 minutes to fry. And after 7 minutes you fry, you're gonna pop it up and it is going to look like that. Very simple, simple and tasty. Now moving right along, we are going to make the best part of the recipe is your sauce to put on your chicken wings. So I have some butter right there. That is unsalted butter. All I'm doing here is adding all the spices that I had put on that chicken and the flour earlier before. So we just go ahead and just play around, put whatever you want in there. Yeah, honey, go ahead and put it all up in there. I'm gonna add some parsley to it, optional, but I love the color that it gives. Pop it in the microwave and it heats up, melt out, and I've wrapped this up perfection. Ready to move on to the next step. Now we are going to slap that thing back and forth, give it that juice, get it all up in there. Back, forth and forth. Yes, honey, right there, sir. Yes, me not play now. Me not play with them wings, yeah. No, sir. Me not play with them wings, yeah. No. After I done do all of that, right? All of that, I'm gonna put it on my serving tray, and these people are waiting. Bam. That is what we have right there. Those wings are pretty. I'm just gonna garnish it with just a little bit more parsley on top, and I'm telling you, goodies, these wings are breathtaking. Not only breathtaking, but it tastes so good. You have to try this recipe. Yeah, you will not be disappointed. I kid you not. Look at this on the inside. When you pop them things open, let me tell you something. When you pop that when you pop it like that, hey, look there, juiciness all up into that thing there. You see that? Juicy. Now that is what I'm talking about, y'all. That is what I'm talking about. Good, flavorful chicken. Yes, every time. Now, make sure that you have subscribed, y'all. Share the recipes. Give your girl a big, master, supersized thumbs up. Let me know what you would like to have me cooking next in the kitchen, right? At all times, I am here to deliver anything where you want. Any recipe, any time of the week. And remember, as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy!